Functions on demand. You can purchase features for your vehicle online that previously had to be ordered before the car was built. And here is the way to purchase them. After your login to Škoda Connect web portal, click Shop in the upper menu bar. On the Škoda Connect Shop main screen, select the Services, Apps and Functions. On the next screen, select Functions on Demand. Then you select the functions you want to purchase and confirm it by clicking on the Add to Cart button. The next step is filling out the invoice details, which are primarily taken over from the portal. On the next page, you can choose the payment method. The order summary is displayed as the last step of the process. To place the order, you have to accept terms and conditions. Then you receive an email confirming the order. The functions are activated once the sum is credited on the Škoda Auto bank account. Afterwards, you receive an email about the activation together with an invoice. Functions on demand are also available to purchase from the comfort of your car, from the shop in the infotainment.